Watch this video and figure out how to get this $500 power bank for just 50 bucks. Everybody should have one of these power stations in their home, and you're getting something that can really act as like a little standby generator and run just about any household appliance for a limited period of time. Everybody should have power backup for when they really need it. It's 23 pounds. It's got a 1200 watt inverter. You can charge it with the grid, charge it with your car, and of course, since we're GoSun, you can charge it with the sun. Just unbelievable amount of technology in such a small package. We think you're gonna love it. PG&E has started a rebate program for generators and batteries. This is a really simple 4-step process. The first thing you're gonna need to do is see if you're eligible to make sure that your address specifically is eligible for this rebate program. Next, you're gonna buy the Power 992 from our GoSun site. The third step is to apply for the rebate on PG&E's website. And then finally, PG&E is gonna send you a check in the mail. And it does take a few weeks before you receive that. We think you're gonna love it.